Hi, I'm Colin. Today we're going to be talking about the P1800-3 and the P1800-D. Both of these units are a 240 volt three-phase heater. We are now going to take the lid off. First we're going to remove the sheet metal screws from the shield. Taking the lid off, paying close attention that we pull this side out, not to catch this side of the limit switch. Now we're going to be wiring up the unit. Following the instructions here, place all your leads in the necessary terminal block. Make sure you do a tug check to make sure that the lines don't come out. At this time, we're going to turn up the temperature on our ambient thermostat. This will be our desired heating temperature. We are now going to turn our manual dial to number 1. Number 1 is fan-only operation. None of the coils are being activated to generate any heat. Our number 2 now pulls in our 2 coils. This is now going to activate our first stage of heating. The unit will heat up until the cool down thermostat has reached the desired temperature to then kick in the fan. Now that the first stage of heating is activated, we can now take the dial and switch it to our third position. This pulls in the last contact, activating all the coils now for full heat. You'll notice that there's an additional 3 on the bottom of this switch. This is a redundant setting for our second stage of heat. For shutting down the unit, you want to turn your ambient thermostat down to 0. This will disengage all of the contacts. The unit will continue to run until that cool down thermostat has reached a level to where it opens back up. You can now turn your switch to the off position and disconnect power.